back to my channel, and Ritik is with me. So now we are going to Mangalore to Venkatramana temple, as it is Dasara today, and from there we are going to Arka Sharade, then we are returning back to Puttur, and we have taken all the precautions, nothing to worry about. So I'll see you and I'll show you some of the road trips. Okay, enjoy. Yeah, do you have anything to say?
Yeah, taking high risk, guys.
Just an update, we reached near the Netravati bridge and we are closing in. So okay, and let's go. Hey guys, so we have reached Mangalore now.
Mangalore.
Yeah, and then we are going to now Venkatramana temple. So I'll show you around, and let's hope and let's all pray to Goddess that this Mahamari Corona just vanishes all of a sudden, and yeah, I hope all are safe and do good. I'll show you around. Okay. Do you have anything to say, bro?
ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡುವ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಾಯ್.
So we left from Puttur at 8:30, and so we reached Mangalore at almost 9:40. We are 10 minutes late because of the traffic, and the road was not good, and so yeah, we are 10 minutes late, and it's okay. So we'll reach Venkatramana temple by we'll reach by 10. So yeah,
ಎಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೆ ಮುಟ್ತೇವೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೇವೆ, ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ತೇವೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡುವ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡುವ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೋಡ್ ಒಟ್ಟಾಟೆ ಇರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಗುಂಡಿ.
ಹೌದು ಮಾರ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಗುಂಡಿ ಮಾರ,
ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಾಟೆ. ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ವಿ.
Otherwise we would reach by 9:30.
ಹೌದು.
So I'll show you Sharada Devi. We are going to 3 places. First is Venkatramana, then is Gokarmat, and then is to Arka Sharade. Arka is in Dongarkeri, near the Canada school. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, almost reached, and it's we have got traffic now. Yeah. Bro, anything to speak, bro?
ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸುಂಕ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವತ್ತು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾನ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ. ಪಂಪಲ್ಲಿ
ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರೋ ಪಂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಲೀಸಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ.
This temple has huge history.
Yeah, bro. Then
ಈ ಪಂಪರಿಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಉಂಟು, KGF ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಉಂಟು. ಇದನ್ನು ಓದ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಯುಗ ಬೇಕು.
Guys, now we reached Car Street. Now we are in opposite of Venkatramana temple. Yeah, we'll see you there. We'll go. Come, let's go. Bye. They have just the construction is going on. The road construction is going on. I'll show you. Extremely blocked. Oh my God.
ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ದೋಸ್ತ ನಮ್ಮ ಇವು ಸನ್ನಿ ಬರೋದು
ಸುತ್ತು ತೋರಿಸ್ತು. See, their construction is going on fully. The road is, so nothing can happen. So we are now going inside the temple. Nobody is here.
ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೆಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು, ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು. ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು, ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು. ನಾಳೆಗಳ ದಾರಿಯಲೇ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿರಿಸು, ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸು. ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಾವಾಡೋ ಪದ ಪದದಲ್ಲೂ ಸಂಚರಿಸು.
So we have left from Venkatramana temple. Now we are going to Gokarna Mutt. So
ಎಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ
ಎಂತ
ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ
ಹಾಕೋ. See, we have brought our sanitizers. So whenever you go out, please carry on your sanitizers and put it. It's, if you touch anything and you may get coronavirus if you don't put the sanitizer.
ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Promotion ಅಲ್ಲ. I'll see you inside the temple. We have left from Gokarna Mutt temple. Now we are going to Arka Mahaganapati temple. So it's basically from a 2 to 3 minutes walk, and now we are applying our sanitizer.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹಣ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ.
Bro, hold the camera. I'm putting the sanitizer.
ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಸಂಡೇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಕೈಗೆ.
Nicely spread it. Okay, the virus is gone.
ವೈರಸ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮುಟ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ನಾವು.
ಅದೇ, we have taken the precautions very seriously
ಅದೇ,
and nothing to worry about. The main thing is that you have to wear a mask all the time when you go, and hey, I have to buy something.
ಎಂತ ಬೈ ಮಾಡಿ?
Okay, I'll see you there, okay, in Arka Mahaganapati. Roaming the Car Street, and now we are going to Arka Mahaganapati temple. It's in Dongarkeri. So it's a bit long walk.
So we are killing time.
Yeah, we need time. So by 11:30, 12 we are gonna wind up, and we are gonna leave to Puttur. So it's 10:20 now.
So we have 1.5 hours.
Yeah, we have more time than we expected. And we want to do a what puja?
Huh?
What puja?
Kumkum Archan.
Kumkum Archane. So they said they'll start the puja thing, all the pujas thing at 11 p.m. So we have to wait till 11 p.m. So to waste that time, now we are going to Arka Mahaganapati temple, and then we are coming back again to Car Street to Venkatramana temple, and then we are gonna do our puja there. Yeah, okay. I'll see you there at Dongarkere, okay? Bye bye. Bye bye. Do you have anything to say, bro?
Stay home, stay safe.
Yeah, we are out and he's telling that stay home, stay safe. What a joke.
ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಎಂತ ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎಂತದ ಸಾವ್
He completely forgot it.
ಎಂತದ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೊಬ್ಬೆಟ್ಟು. Okay, forgot it. When okay, thinking.
ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಸೇಫ್. ಇಲ್ಲಾಗಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ.
So funny. Yeah. Guys, this is my second vlog, so please subscribe and like the video, and please keep supporting me throughout your life.
Yes.
And show your.
Oh my God, Turula.
We have reached Dongarkere. Now we are going to Arka Mahaganapati temple. We have walked a long way. It's hot here and we are sweating.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
It's very difficult to breathe in mask also during these days. Okay, I'll see you there. We are going inside this road and it's very narrow, and as you can see there, we are going inside Arka Mahaganapati temple, and we'll reach within 2 minutes. Really gotta hold on. So we have left from Arka Mahaganapati temple. And there is one Sharadi opposite to this. So we are gonna visit there and then go to Castret again. And then I have to buy some things. Then I'll buy it. And then we are leaving to Puttur.
Yes.
Okay, we are leaving to Puttur then. Because it's 10:50. So we have to reach Puttur by 1, right? 1:30 we have to reach the Puttur. So yeah, okay, I'll take you there. So after we left Arka Mahaganapati temple, we put sanitizers. So we have taken all the precautions. Yes. Yeah, we can't smell them.
ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ.
Hey guys, so we have left from Yuvaka Vranda. Now we are going back to Castret. Because I'm going to Granny's house now, so I have to collect some things from there. Then we are heading back to Puttur. Then we are heading back to Puttur. Okay, and okay. Yeah, so tired. It's cloudy though, but it's humid here, right? Very thirsty. Our water bottle is in the car, so we left it there. We forgot to bring it with us. And now we are going there. So,
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತು
like after trying to goddess, we felt a peace inside. Yes, very peaceful. Yeah, this corona thing has turned everything upside down. Even the Dasara thing, main thing in Anja is here, but this time no procession, no tableaus, nothing. Just goddess, the idol of goddess. Yeah. So I'll see you in Castret. Bro.
Now we just left from Pratham's granny's house, and Pratham is going to buy something.
Yo.
I ಮಾಡಿದ.
Thanks. So I have bought something. So now we are going to Venkatramana temple for Kumkumarchana. He will show you the video. Let's go.
ಟಪಾಲ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮದೇ.
We are left from Venkatramana temple. Now we are going to Gollargiri, which is 2 minutes walking distance. We thought that we are going to home, but we thought let's visit here because it's very near, and yeah, we are going to pray there and then live to Puttur, right? Yeah. Anything you want to say? You can say.
ಫುಲ್ಲು ಬಚ್ಚಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ನಾಡ್ದು ಬಾಡಿಸಿದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸಹ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೀವು.
You don't ಒಂದು vibe ಇಲ್ಲ last year ಆಗಿ.
ಹೌದಾ?
You don't have the vibe of Dasara like last year. It's very dull here. No lightings. Lightings are there. It's only near temples, but not on the roads. You know, like last year.
It's not too grand like last year.
Yeah, this pandemic has. Oh God. So yeah, we prayed to the God that the pandemic, I mean the COVID-19, goes soon. You know, and the vaccine, and the doctors may find the vaccine very soon.
I am Pratham also researching for vaccines. Okay.
Yeah, myself and Ritik are
Nothing for vaccine. Going for all medicals, asking COVID vaccine is there. They say no, nadi magani.
We have walked very long, right?
Yes.
We have walked very long, and it's very good for health, you know. walking. It's very.
ನಾನು ಪುತ್ತೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು.
It's very humid. Oh, kaatu mara. So I'm gonna meet you there, okay? Bye bye. Yo, bro. We have reached Gollargiri. See, that is the hall there. Oh, no, I do also visit.
ಇದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮಾರೆ.
Sorry, this is not the hall. That is the school. Sorry.
Higher primary and high school.
Nearly there. Oh, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರದ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು?
ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ.
ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರದ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಸಹ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಹಾಂ, ಇಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಸಹ.
ಹೋಗಿ ಎಂತ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು ನೋಡು. I think they are not kept the idol yet here. No, ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. So we came here simply.
Yes.
I think they are bringing it today. ಅಕ್ಕ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಕ್ಕ, ಕಾಣ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇನ್ನು ಇಡುದು ಅವರು.
ಇವತ್ತು ತರೋದು. They are gonna bring the idol today at night. So we simply came this way far. So now Puttur. Back to Puttur. Yo, bro. Heading back to Puttur. Yo.
Back to Puttur. Yes.
Okay. Bye. I'll see you
in Puttur.
I'll see you inside the car itself.
Car ನೋಡಿ.
I will vlog a bit in car.
Inside garage.
Inside the car. Yeah. Okay, now we're going back. Okay, see ya. Bye. So hey guys, we have sat in our car and we are heading back to Puttur now.
Yes.
We have enjoyed a lot today.
Yes.
And
we hope you enjoyed the video.
Yeah. And please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, and please like the video and share it among your friends, families. Yes.
Please support us.
We'll we'll try our best to give more quality content and improve our vlog every day. So yeah, hope please subscribe and please support us all the time.
Please support, guys. Thank you.
And please Sarakrabar.
Sarakapar. And please show your Turu love.
Turu love.
Turu love.
Not true love. Turu love.
Turu love.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, guys.
See you in the next vlog.
Close.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.
Yeah.